Hi everyone, and thank you once again for joining me. Today I have with me an accessory for the GoPro camera, and this is the tripod mount. Under normal circumstances, it is not possible for you to mount your GoPro to a tripod such as this one. You see? So they have a solution as always, and that's the tripod mount. There are two options. One is a quick release one, and the other one is the screw on. So let's go ahead and unbox this one quickly. Costs about 99 dirhams. These are the mounts. And this is the other option. So with this one you need to screw it on, okay? Whereas with this you can use the quick release or the quick connect. And included with this, they have also provided a small tripod. So how this one works is you can connect this one over here. This out of the way. Okay, so this is the quick connect. To this. Okay, so once you have it firmly connected, then you can just open this out. Push this in and secure. So now you have it mounted on a standard tripod. Then if you want to take it out, obviously push that tab, take it off. So this is the more convenient one because once you have it mounted here, you don't need to worry about unscrewing and screwing back in. Whereas in this case, if you remove this, then you connect it. Then you have to take it off of this and put it in. But either way, it's good that they've given both options. Right, so 99 dirhams for just this pair of adapters and this tripod. So that's about it, folks, and hope you found it useful. Hope you found it informative. There are cheaper versions, cheaper options available in the market, but they don't just fit perfectly as these accessories. So if you want to use this GoPro as a secondary camera, then this would be a very good option for you. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.